Hello again, welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English, and today we're looking at adjectives as nouns. First of all, look at these nice flowers. These are Dutch flowers. The word Dutch is an adjective. It describes the flowers, the noun. These are Dutch flowers. They are flowers from the Netherlands, from Holland. They are Dutch flowers. How can you make Dutch into a noun? You can do it by putting the in front of the word Dutch and say, the Dutch grow beautiful flowers. The French make wonderful cheese. The English cook delicious food. Well, we can use the before adjectives describing nationality to describe the people, their government, their national teams. For example, the Italians are playing the French in an important World Cup game. Or the United Nations has support from the Spanish, the Chinese, and the Swiss. We also use some adjectives after the to describe an abstract idea. For example, in sport, the unpredictable often happens. Or the impossible isn't the same as the unknown. So there we are. Using adjectives as nouns in English, it's fairly easy-peasy. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time for another Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English lesson. Bye-bye for now.